Hey guys, it's Michelle Naomi and welcome back to my channel. I miss you so much. I hope everybody is doing well. For my new subscriber, thank you for clicking me on, and for my old subscriber, thank you for clicking me on. Today I'm going to be showing you my 5 favorite vintage belts. So you're in for a treat, and with that being said, let's get this belt started. Hey, so for this first vintage belt, I like this belt because I believe it came off of a dress, and I got this belt from a Goodwill store. I think I paid maybe $2 or $3 for it at most. I like the color. It's a nice summer color, it's a nice spring color, and it's actual cloth. So this one here probably came off a dress from the 1960s. This next belt is a favorite of mine because it has a unique closing clasp system. It has the wooden clasp, it's turquoise, and the beads just remind me of like little seashells, like this was made. This is another one of my thrift shop finds. I don't remember how much I paid for this one either, but it's versatile because it's a little stretchy, and if it's a little bit too big, you can actually take it, tie a knot, and wear it around your waist like this. I just love that wooden clasp. That just makes the belt. This belt here, this belt reminds me of the 70s. It looks like gold, but it's not. I love the hell out of this belt. It's just so, I mean, you can actually wear this belt as a necklace. This is the inside. It has this gold chain on the inside. It also has elastic. I think I paid $1 for this belt here. Definitely 70s, definitely fun, definitely sexy. This could go with any outfit. Summer, spring, winter, fall. This is the belt. Guys, girls, kings, queens, chicks. Is this not the belt? Look at that buckle on the belt. 100% leather. This belt has to be about 4 inches wide. Love this belt. I think I paid like $3 for this belt. The quality and the craftsmanship on this belt can't be beat. Love it. I usually will take this belt and wrap it around a coat. It's heavy, it's nice, it's classy looking. Yeah, this is a belt that you can enjoy wearing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up. Let me know which one was your favorite and how you would style it. For my new subscribers, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, share it with your friends. Until then, Michelle Naomi, stay well, stay safe, peace.